I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring you have administrator access and a reliable power source. This avoids interruptions. Once ready, connect with Ethernet or a secondary Wi-Fi so you retain internet when changing drivers. Next, open Device Manager using Win+X or Search, because that's where Windows lists adapters. Expand Network Adapters and locate the wireless device name precisely. This name and vendor will guide which driver to get next, so don't guess, confirm the exact model now. You should gather the adapter model and the hardware ID from Properties' right arrow details to avoid picking the wrong file. Once done, go to the adapter vendor or your PC maker's support page. They list driver builds and release notes that explain fixes and compatibility. Make sure you choose the package that matches your OS architecture, 64-bit versus 32-bit, and prefer WHQL-signed drivers for stability. Download the installer or zip and read the brief install notes so you know whether to run an installer or use Device Manager's update feature. You can run the vendor installer or open Device Manager and choose Update Driver, right arrow browse My Computer to point at the downloaded files. Drivers installed via the vendor executable may bundle firmware or utilities. After installation, reboot to finalize changes and then verify the wireless connects, shows expected link speed, and has no warning icons. If things go wrong, roll back the driver or uninstall the device and reinstall. If persistent, use System Restore or Safe Mode.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.